Financial advisor Scott Beasley knows time spent with family is everything. His mission is to give clients the freedom to enjoy time with family without the burden of financial concerns. Offering a free initial consultation, Beasley Wealth Management helps clients pursue their aspirations with confidence.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Cloudy, breezy, warm, and wet at times as we head through our Wednesday. We'll start with the Build Your Day hourly forecast here. A few showers this morning with mostly cloudy skies, limited sunshine today, but warming into the upper 60s and lower 70s. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible across the area this afternoon into the evening, and then another round possible later into the overnight. Both of those, it's a very uncertain type thing that's not a guarantee, but there is a low threat that a couple of those storms in both time periods could be on the stronger side with some 40-plus mile-per-hour wind gusts and a low, but not completely zero chance of a spin-up tornado or two. So we're going to have to be on guard, but nothing to panic over, nothing to be afraid of or worried about. You're just going to have to pay attention over the next 24 hours to weather information in case there's an isolated stray warning or two. First round is midday today through the early evening, starting back in northeast Mississippi, spreading eastward through the afternoon, early evening across North Alabama to southern Middle Tennessee, especially near and south of Highway 64. The second round is even more of a question mark because I think the greatest threat is north of our area, but the ingredients for strong thunderstorms are just as favorable in our southern Tennessee counties. It's just a question of if we have enough lift in the atmosphere to get strong thunderstorms to form in those ingredients to take advantage of them during the overnight. But if we do, the same type of threats, 40-plus mile-per-hour wind gusts and a low, but not zero tornado threat, we'll just have to be on guard. It's nothing to be worried about. Just have your plan in place. Listen out for warnings. We have several of these type of low-end question mark threats every single year. We get through them just fine. Nothing to be scared of. Just pay attention and we'll get through it. Here's the Futurecast breakdown this morning showing cloudy skies and a few showers. Now the frontal boundary is already farther north than what the model has. So I know it will be farther north this afternoon as these southerly winds kick in. So I expect everybody to have these type of temperatures you see over North Alabama, not just down here. They will be farther north into southern Middle Tennessee as well. Once we get into the afternoon, we'll watch these spotty, scattered strong thunderstorms to see if a warning or two is needed. But again, threat is low. Once we get 7, 8 o'clock, they're moving on to the east of our viewing area over into northeast Alabama, southeast Tennessee. Our viewing area stops at Marshall and Giles County, Tennessee, Limestone and Morgan counties of Alabama. You get east of there, that's east of our viewing area. That's Chattanooga TV and Huntsville TV. But our area, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, storms will be moving out, but that's around 1. It's midnight and after into the early morning. We'll have to watch to see if storms can build southward into our southern Tennessee counties. We will have the ingredients that are favorable, but it's a question mark of if there's enough lift to get a storm to form to take advantage of the ingredients in place. If it does, a strong storm or two possible, but the better threat might try to stay just to the north of our area. A few more scattered thunderstorms into Thursday, but that jet stream disturbance pulls off to the northeast, so we don't have the same ingredients for a severe threat, so I think we're fine on Thursday. Front shifts into our area just south on Friday, getting us into the 60s. Moves north on Saturday. We're into the low to mid 70s again for one more day before cooler air moves in. Showers and thunderstorms move in late day or overnight Saturday night. We go from the 60s and 70s this week to the 40s for daytime highs early next week behind the front. Winter not done yet here in the Tennessee Valley. So upper 60s to lower 70s today. Mostly cloudy skies, gusty southwest winds. Even away from thunderstorms, could be gusting 20 to 25 miles per hour. And during the afternoon hours, we'll watch for some isolated strong thunderstorms. Better chance near and south of Highway 64 for the afternoon in southern Middle Tennessee. It's area-wide in southern Tennessee near and after midnight. There are 2 rounds like we talked about a minute ago. Northwest Alabama, northeast Mississippi, lower 70s. Midday, afternoon to early evening, scattered strong storms possible here. The overnight round, I think, stays off to the north of our area. Again, a few strong thunderstorms, possible, but not a guarantee this afternoon and tonight. Scattered thunderstorms Thursday, but I don't think they're going to be as strong because that disturbance pulls away. A little cooler Friday, then we're back in the 70s. One more day Saturday. Storms arriving late day in the night. I don't think they're going to be severe. The ingredients don't look to come together for that. 60 Sunday morning, falling in the afternoon. Rain continues into a large part of next week. Maybe some heavy rain next week that we'll have to watch for a flooding threat, but temperatures falling into the 40s and 50s for daytime highs going into next week. There's ultra-latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rawson is in the Weather Center today live at noon with another check of your local weather.